Hello and welcome to Ticker Tapes. It's Wednesday, which means it's time for a look at the crypto space. Now, some less well-known coins were front and center for crypto traders last week, and it's not hard to see why. Ethereum Classic, which trades under the ticker ETC, rallied by 67.46% in US dollar terms over the last 5 days, whilst Dash, or Digital Cash to give it its full name, jumped higher by 39.72% against the greenback in the same time frame. Ethereum Classic was tipped online a couple of weeks ago as a coin that could benefit if Russian savers moved out of cash and into cryptocurrencies, though analysts didn't expect funds to flow into itself. Instead, they pointed to the coin's tendency to move sharply when other leading coins were active. There were signs that cryptocurrencies are moving further into the mainstream this week. The Bank for International Settlements, the central banker's bank, announced that it had created an experimental central bank digital currency platform, which it used in a pilot scheme based in its Singaporean innovation hub. The pilot program allowed for international settlements between the central banks of Australia, Malaysia, Singapore, and South Africa. The BIS believes the experiment demonstrated the viability of using central bank digital currencies as a method for cross-border payments and international settlements, having met the goals of trust, security, and shared control. Elsewhere, Goldman Sachs became the first major U.S. bank to trade cryptocurrency options over the counter market. The trade was made in non-deliverable options over Bitcoin by Galaxy Digital, a digital investment business run by former Goldman alumni Mike Novotars, which specializes in mining asset management and principal trading in the cryptocurrency space. Much like the BIS experiment, Goldman's trade is more symbolic than anything else, but it does establish Goldman as an institutional counterparty in OTC crypto derivatives. Goldman's presence in the market means that many more mainstream institutions have moved a step closer to being able to gain cryptocurrency exposure. They would not have been permitted to trade with exchanges such as Bitfinex, Binance, or FTX, but they may well be able to accept Goldman Sachs' credit risk. Hackers are active in the world of NFTs, and no one is exempt, it seems, as the founder of Finance Capital, a crypto venture capital investment firm based in Asia, has been targeted. CEO Arthur Ock saw one of his online wallets hacked, resulting in the loss of NFTs and cryptocurrencies worth $1.6 million. The hack of such a well-known figure in the NFT space created a good deal of sympathy, and community members set about trying to discover how the hack happened and how they might blacklist the hackers' wallets. The hackers themselves were brazen enough to offer the stolen NFTs for sale. One community member was kind enough to buy back 2 of the tokens and return them to their former owner. The hack highlights the importance of enhanced security around the online storage of valuable NFTs. It seems that Arthur Ox had his wallet on his phone, and the device may have been compromised when he made another on-chain transaction, which could have allowed the hackers to access sensitive information such as details of his keys.